Zimbabwe's health ministry is working with experts from the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention to implement a schistosomiasis elimination pilot study in Shemwa, a district north of the capital Harare. Under the 2-month pilot study, which began in June, samples of urine, blood and feces were collected from villagers in Shawakadzi ward, Shemwa district, to determine the prevalence of the disease. Tests were conducted and those with the disease were then contacted to receive treatment at a local clinic.
Speaking of this elimination, it refers to zero local transmitted human case and livestock and zero infected snails, which are the host of the disease. In this process, China gets a lot of lessons and experience, and a number of tools are developed by Chinese scientists.
In this initiative, the first stage is for the Chinese counterparts and Zimbabwean counterparts to assess the diagnostic tools that can be used to detect or to test infection of a urinary bilharzia or intestinal bilharzia using rapid tools that can be applied at community level.
The pilot study will be followed by further support from China for a large-scale project. The schistosomiasis prevention program is one of several China-funded initiatives underway in Zimbabwe for promoting public health.